Hit that subscribe button and the bell icon for more videos.
What's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. This time I have a totally different video. I'm going to show you how to make a mask, face mask. First all you need is scissors and a sock. There's no sewing involved. So what you'll do is you'll fold this right about in half, just so. And then what we're gonna do, we're gonna cut this part. The toe part here, we just cut it just like this. Very easy to make. Put this aside, you don't need this. Once you cut it, you'll have something like this, right? What you need to do now is cut one of the sides just the way I'm doing it right now, like this, from the middle here. So you'll be opening the sock. There we go. Like this. And what you want to do is cut this part here, bottom part, not all the way, just so you could have two loops, just like this. Once you open it, you'll have a loop just like this. From the top, what you want to do is fold it so that way it'll be doubled, so you have more of a protection. And also for the filter, you can have like a napkin, like a Bounty, or maybe a little filter just like this. Fold it on top, fold this in half, and you are ready to go with the mask.